How to create YouTube logo on Canva. For this, open a Canva in your PC or your mobile. In the search bar, you can go ahead and search for YouTube logo. So here it will suggest you some of the ideal logo. You can use it as inspiration or you can just create on your own. So here I'm tapping on this pre-made logo right here. So here I want to add my own logo to it. So for that, what I will do is let's go ahead and change the element, which is the background of it. It looks pretty cool, but I want to change it. So what you have to do is just tap on the logo and just tap on this erase icon right here. Now, at the side, you will see element option. You can just go ahead and tap on it and you can search for anything here and it will list a bunch of options. Here I'm choosing this sword right here. Now I will resize it according to my preference and just adjust it accordingly. And at the bottom you will see there are some of the fonts writing something. You can edit it by tapping on it. You can edit on your own or you can delete itself. Here I want to write it because I like this font. So what I will do is I will erase this pre-made word and I'll be typing the word warrior here. Now I want to write warrior games, but I need a font, right? So what I will do is I will erase the bottom font. Now to explore font, what you will do is tap on this text icon right here at the side. Now if you scroll down, you will find a lot of font that you can give it a try, or you can even search for some of the font styles. You can choose anything that you want. Here is a vast collection. For an example, I have selected this one right here. So what I have to do is I just have to erase this and write what I want. Here I'm writing sports here or games. Now I can just resize it according to my preference and just adjust it right below this warrior right here. Now to add some of the special effect, what you have to do is just tap on your font. At the top, you will see animate option, tap on it. And again, you have a lot of options that you can give it a try. Here I'll be giving some of the demo here. So let me go ahead and speed this process for you real quick, because all you have to do is you just have to tap on the font or the picture and you just have to select the animation effect. You can adjust the speed of it as well. Isn't it cool? So after you are all done, this is how it's gonna look. Here is the preview of it. You can just go ahead and give it a try by tapping on the play icon at the top. And that being said, this is a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.